Hello everyone, my name is Anjali Kaje and today I am going to speak on the most important and the charming topic of our lives. Before I start, I just want to ask you one question. Is there one day that you have not gone through your phone? Anyone without your phones? No one, no? It's quite tough. Let's leave that. Let's start my speech. My most important and the charming topic is mobile phones and the internet are spoiling our generation. So, nowadays you have seen that 5-year-old kid also is glued to the phones, right? YouTube, Instagram, making that foolish reels, not concentrating on our studies, right? Have you ever seen that a person is not touching their phone in 5 minutes? The notification of his or her is distracting everyone, right? So, if you are like that, please stop that. Because no, it's us, it is just spoiling our generation. See, if you are using your phones like anything, using it for 8 to 10 hours more than your sleep, then it's just a wasted of that. One question in my mind that if you are using a technology, sorry, you are using the technology or technology is using you. So the answer is that technology is using you. Technology is just wasting your mind, just rubbish things are coming into your mind. The kids are using vulgar languages, using something foolish that they don't have to know in this stage, but they are knowing that because of the internet. So you are saying that each and every person, the small kid, we teenagers, the adults, our grandparents also are stick to the phones. Why? Because they just don't want to talk to the real persons. They want to talk to AIs, chat GPTs. In today's world, if a person is feeling lonely, if a person is not feeling good, they don't talk to the real persons. They talk to AI. Why? Because they don't trust. And the trust breaks through internet. Why? Because in internet there are many things that came that if people is saying that he's not good, if people is saying that he's right, so that's not the thing. If you know the person really, you can. But the internet is just spoiling everything. One more question I have for you all. When was the last time you had a perfect dinner with your family? Anyone? What do you mean to perfect dinner? What's the meaning of perfect dinner? Anyone? No? So, perfect dinner means keeping your phones aside, muting your phones, and gossiping about your cousins, your buas, your mausis, everyone, and having fun. That's not the thing was going today. So that's the reality too. Each and everyone is busy in their lives. That's okay. But at Sundays, everyone is free. But then also, some is watching movies, some is watching, mama is watching serials, papa is watching cricket, and the children are watching that Shin Chan cartoon and something. So that's the reality of today's world. If I talk about our mental health, so in at that time, our mamas and fathers' time, they don't know about the depression, anxiety, and something else. But in today's generation, we all know, and we go in the depression too because of what? Social media. Because if you don't get 90% above, you are a loser. If you don't, if you are not good in curricular activities, you are a dumb. If you don't speak English, you are something like a poor person. That's the reality of social media. And that also is going on throughout. And that will be going in. And now let's talk about our education studies. So, how many of you take your phones to check the lectures, to watch the lectures and go through watching shorts or Instagrams for 2 to 3 hours? Yeah, it happens to all of them. It for me also. But if you are distracted, you can't achieve your goals. And mobile phones and the internet are spoiling your mind. Are spoiling their minds, and your mobile phones are distracting you. The notifications, your friends which are playing games, your YouTube notifications for new movies are just spoiling you. So at last I want to say that technology is not bad. Technology is really good. But if you use it wisely, it will help you. And if you use it badly, it will destroy you. So thank you everyone.